Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things, including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But on today's video, I'm doing hopefully a redemption video featuring whatever's in this box in regards to this pathetic failed lie of a purchase. So if you're interested in seeing if what's in here is really what finally has come to me, what I've ordered, which is a 4-inch potted plant, variegated Hoya compacta, then keep on watching. Alright then, so now I'm just going to look for a scissor because your girl got her nails finally did. Alright, I can't seem to find a scissor, so I'm just using a pen for the time being. Alright, so let me just pan you guys down a bit. Alright, and again, this purchase was in regards to this here variegated Hoya linearis. When I purchased this plant, I expected it to come in a 4-inch pot with multiple strands, but the seller sent me a pathetic little tiny cutting. Before I even posted the video, I contacted the seller, and 2 weeks later, I have a different, hopefully a redemption sort of plant. So here we go with the unboxing. As per usual, it comes with the seller's information, so I'm just gonna toss that underneath that. And again, more of these lovely popcorns that I hate so much, so I'm just gonna dump them in here along with the plant. So the plant fell too. Honestly, I'm not sure if I'm getting variegated strands or not. I keep getting... Let's lighten now. I keep getting these bullshits chewed up, non-variegated. You can obviously tell something is variegated because it has the white. This is not variegated. These are just regular. Alright, I'm gonna request a refund. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I would like my money back. This is not a variegated Hoya compacta carnosa. This is a variegated nub. This is not. This is a regular old crinkly variegated, not variegated Hoya compacta carnosa. I didn't, honestly, I had zero positive hopes for this plant, and I wasn't disappointed because what I was feeling and expecting really did come true. I don't know why the seller's plants also all have holes in them, like they're bitten by rodents, because I really don't want my house infested. Okay? I really don't want my house infested with fucking bugs and other crap, so... So here's the state of the plant. Yeah, this is, I swear, this is bullshit. Bullshit. not what I purchased. This is what I'm purchasing, something that's variegated, and I'm getting things that are not variegated. Like, do I have to contact the seller a fourth time? Like, do I have to contact the seller a fourth time? Because the first time I contacted them, it was to let them know that, hey, my plant is not what it is. The second time I contacted them, the seller told me, okay, just send me my information, give me exact details of what I want, and it'll get shipped out to me. Then it would get shipped out to me the next day. A few days pass, I contact the seller again, like, hey, when will my item, like, be shipped out? Can you send me maybe some tracking information? They're like, he's like, I'm not in the office, you know what, I'll let you know tomorrow. Then Monday he texts me, hey, your item is gonna be shipped. Alright. Then I need like a shipping number, whatever. So now I'm just gonna request a refund. I don't need another Hoya compacta carnosa. I have a huge, gigantic plant. I have a pathetic, dying, huge fail of a purchase of the variegated plant, and now he's just sending me nubs of what I don't need. I don't get why these are so chewed up. Look at this. This is not variegation. This is dirt. If I scrub it off, it comes off onto my fingers. This is dirt. This is not a variegated plant. And honestly, I don't know who these people are playing for fools, but they're playing their mothers for fools, because I'm not a fool. Like, I know what the hell I'm looking for. I know what the hell needs to arrive to me, and I know what the hell I'm buying. This is not what I'm buying. This is not a 4-inch plant. This, whatever, I'll give it to the seller. Like, you can try. Like, this is an attempt at a 4-inch plant. This is not what I'm. But yeah, all right. Like, disappointed again. But it's human nature. That's life. What I need in a larger form, what I've got, which is not what I need in a larger form. What I need, variegated with the white. What I'm getting, straight green, 0, 0, 0 white in them. Yeah, so I will share the seller's information now. This is Lou's Bonsai. I haven't gotten what I needed for a second time from Lou's Bonsai. The first time, Lou's Bonsai on Amazon sent me a misleading product. I purchased a 4-inch potted variegated Hoya compacta carnosa. I received a 2-inch potted nub of a variegated Hoya compacta carnosa. Then I was sent a replacement of just a regular Hoya compacta carnosa, not variegated, which is not what I purchased. So I'm going to ask the seller for a refund, because this is the second time they sent me something that is not what I purchased. I don't know what's so hard about sending what you say you have available to a seller. To a buyer as a seller. If your thing is not available, then why are you sending that? So I'm going to contact them again, and I'll see what bullshit response I get. But until then, I'm not keeping this plant. Dog eat dog world. Yeah. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. At this sad unboxing again, like disappointment of stuff that I'm buying that I'm not getting, featuring this Hoya compacta carnosa, not variegated. This is supposed to be a variegated, but this is not variegated. I don't know, 3-inch potted plant. Yeah, so if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, join this little cookie family because we're pretty awesome here, and share this video because just share it, like, it won't hurt you to share my video. And yeah,